Let's understand how to use keywords and negative keywords to control your image generation. Enter a simple prompt: a red apple on a table. Generate the image. Now let's refine this using keywords. Add keywords for shot type. Select close-up shot. Choose a lens, macro lens. Now add lighting. Select soft lighting. Generate the image again. You'll notice the apple appears sharper, more detailed, and more focused with better lighting and composition. Let's try another variation. Keep the same prompt, but now change the keywords. Select wide shot, add fisheye lens, and switch to backlighting. Generate again. Now the image looks very different. The perspective changes, the apple appears more stylized, and the lighting becomes more dramatic. Now let's look at negative keywords. Negative keywords help you remove elements you don't want in the image. For example, if you don't want distractions, add negative keywords like multiple apples, blur, dark background, clutter. Generate the image again. You'll see a cleaner image focused on a single apple with better clarity and a simpler background. This shows how keywords help you control composition, lighting, and perspective, while negative keywords help remove unwanted elements. In the next video, we will explore how we can create our own custom preset.